two-digit multiplication. That is, from this video you are going to learn how to do two-digit multiplication. That is, we will multiply two-digit number by another two-digit number. So look, would like to this two-digit number by 53. So let me start with 3. 3 times 7 equal to 21. So we need the multiplication table of 3 to multiply this 7. So how to get that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 3 times 7 equal to what? If you forget the multiplication table, then here is the way to remember. So we need multiplication table of 3. So 3 times 1, we know that 3. 3 times 2 equal to what? Just add 3 with the previous step, 6, right? Then 3 times 3, 3 times 3 equal to what? Just add 3 with this, 6, that is 9. And in this process you need to go forward. 3 times 4, that is just add 3, that is 12, right? You need to go up to 7. 3 times 5, just add 3, that is 15. 3 times 6, just add 3 with this 15, 18. 3 times 7, just add 3, 21. That is 3 times 7, 21. So write 1, carry 2. Then 3 times 9 equal to what? If you forget, then 8, 9. So 3 times 8, just add 3 with this 21, that is 24. And 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, just add 3, 27. Just add 3, 27. That 3 times 9, 27. 27 here, add 2, 27, 29. So this is 29. I think you have understood how to proceed two-digit multiplication step by step. Now you have done with these 3, right? Now you need to multiply by this 5. Look, this is ones column, this is tens column. So 5 is in tens column. So product will come to tens column here. So ones column will have 0. This is placeholder 0. 5 times 7, what? 5 times 7 equal to 35. If you forget the multiplication table, you can find like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You need the multiplication table of 5. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, just add 5, that is 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. And 5 times 7, just add 5, 35. Right? 5 times 7, 35. So write the first digit 5 and carry over 3. 5 times 9 equal to what? 5 times 9 equal to 45. If you proceed, look, 5 times 8, that is 35, 40. 5 times 9, just add 5, 45. 5 times 9, 45 plus 3. 45 plus 3 equal to what? 8, 48. This is 48, right? Okay, let me clear this. Now you need to add these two partial product. 1 plus 0, 1. 9 plus 5 equal to what? 9 plus 5 equal to 14. So write 4, carry 1. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Write 1, carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. So look, 5141 is the answer. So this is the way to multiply two-digit number. Okay, let us consider this example. 9 times 9 equal to what? 81, right? Write here 1, carry 8 to the next column. Then 9 times 5, 45. 45 plus 8 equal to what? 8 plus 5, 13, write 3, then carry 1. 8 plus 5, 31, 13, right? 8 plus 5, 13, write 3, carry 1. So now 4 plus 1, 5, 53. So we have done with 9 and we need to multiply this 2 digit by this 3. 3 is in tens column, so ones column will have 0. 3 times 9, 27, write 7, carry 2. 3 times 5, 15, plus 2, 17. Now add this to partial product. 7 plus 3, 10, write 0, carry 1. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, write 3, carry 1, 1, 1, 2. So this is the answer. Now you know how to multiply 2 digit by 2 digit numbers.